It's Mia Morty here, and I'm gonna be drawing the corporate pig. So I'm gonna show you the steps, but I just don't do the X that much, but I just make a circle, and then make his eyes. And then his helmet. And just do a circle and little tiny circles. And then do this. And then do this. So, thank you for watching my video and subscribe.